Everybody, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. My name is Brent, and on this channel, if you haven't watched it before, I do a ton of tool reviews. I love it, and I love to share it with the world. And today, we are looking at something pretty special. Now, I do a ton of flashlight reviews too, and that's what we're going to be talking about today, but this one is honestly different, and this is from Brinyte. It's the PT16A. It's got 3,000 lumens. It's got like 6 different modes. It's made out of aluminum. It's machined. It's IP. It's like really high IP rated, so it's almost waterproof. It has rubber O-ring gaskets. It has all this really good stuff. You can charge it from the outside with a USB-C. Now, I say all that to kind of get it out of the way because what we're going to talk about here is something completely different. Now, if you've seen this before or something like this is just a regular case, right? Actually, it's not. If we take a look right here, take a look at that. You can see you have access to both of your buttons on the back. You do have access right here. This is that's like a finger hole. That's kind of cool. Down below, it's open for the light as well. You can fit tools here. You can fit tools here. And the coolest part is, hopefully you can see this, it actually locks onto your belt. If we pull this out, you can see it has a hook inside of here, and that may be hard to see, but that is very unusual for a flashlight. I'm honestly super surprised. Now, we are going to go outside, and I'm going to show you how it actually works, but until then, like, just check this out, right? So I'm going to take this, press the button, not blind myself. Look at that. That's pretty awesome. Now, if you look, there's 2 buttons. This one turns the light on, turn it off, but if you press this one here, it's like your thumb button. So if you need like the quick draw, you know, you can pull it out and you have thumb access and all that stuff, but what are we waiting on? Let's take a look at the actual tool here. Now, this has a few different options, but if we take a look right here, you're going to see this right here. This is kind of interesting, right? So if you're holding it like this, right, and you have your thumb buttons, so you have your on, your off, you know, you got your flash and all that stuff, and that's really cool. But if you take a look, it does go around your finger, so not only can you flip it around, you know, like draw, you know, and in fact, I got this, and that's what I've been doing with it, is pretty much just playing with it. And I'm a child. I get it. I'm a grown child. But this actually is spectacularly manufactured. And let's just take a quick look right here. This is all aluminum. Now, you don't need this. This actually comes with another ring that can go on that's a little bit wider. I do like this for the pure fact that it's different. And plus, it's kind of weird. Like, I'm trying to figure out what this is really for. And I think this portion here is to kind of maybe stabilize it, or I don't know, whatever you want it to be, a little bit of protection there. But it's really, really nice. You can see it has another little belt clip right here too. You can use that. Right here, if we look on the back of it, we're going to pull this up. Sorry, I don't have fingernails, so that's hard. And that's where you charge right there, USB-C. So that's really nice. Easy, pops right in there. And then this is your on and off. And then if you look right here, you press this to change the mode. So I'm going to turn it on. You can see right here. All right, low, medium, high, and then it's low again. So that's actually really cool. And it has a 5,000 milliamp hour 21700 cell. I'm just going to turn this off here. So let's go ahead and jump outside, and you can see how this actually works. All right, so you can see right here, it's on low. Can you see anything? Probably not. But the low is going to last you the longest, and that's actually really cool. But you can see I'm shining it on me, shining it on my hand. It's pretty good. Let's go to the next brightest. There you go. Now you can start to see the trees and everything through there. It's actually pretty good. All right, let's turn it up a little bit. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's awesome. And there we go. That is turbo. That thing is super bright. Look at this. All right, let's see how far we can actually throw this out. It's actually really cool. And actually, let me just show you real quick here. This is what it looks like with the emergency flash. Yeah, that's a bit much, right? I'm not a big fan of having the flash just because it makes me kind of dizzy and things like that. But I'm going to point this to the other direction. See if you can see. I have trees about 500-600 feet away. See how that does. Okay. I'm going to put this on turbo, which is like the 3000 lumen. All right, so check this out. See if we can see it. I'm going to stand to the side. Can you see that? Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is so far away. That is so incredibly far away. Yeah, look at that. Can you believe we can see the tops of that tree? That tree is like 500-600 feet away. We can see everything. So I would say, like, pretty confidently, as a security light, this thing is pretty awesome. If you have security details, or if you're out in the field, you're in the woods, something like that, I think this is where it's at. And even if you look at just the pure engineering here, right here, look at that. Just look how nice that is. All right, so jump down below. I'm going to post a link to this. Oh, but got some big bugs out here. I'm going to post a link to it down below. You all can go check it out yourself. Let me know what you think as well. But I'm actually really impressed with this particular light. This may have a place in my go bag, especially with the lithium ion, how long it lasts, the power of it. It's pretty compact. It's got a lot of good features on it. Pretty sure this is going in the go bag. My name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. We love testing out tools, and I'd love to hear your opinion too. And until next time, take care, everybody. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Go out there, make mistakes, learn from your mistakes, pass on your solutions to the next generation, and I promise we will all be better for it at the end of the day. Take care. Yeah.